Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about MS Excel. At the end of this video, you will understand how to use the functions like average, count, countif and countblank using some problems. The average function is used to find the average of a cells. For example, here it is in a table which is showing the result sheet of PUC. So to find the average, so what it is doing is it is automatically adding the numbers and dividing it by number of subsets. So to get the average, let me type the function. So the syntax of this function is equal to average and the range of cells. So let me type that formula function. So first write is equal to, then average. So in bracket specify the range. The range that is obtained different subjects marks, that is from here to here. There are totally 6 subjects, that is from E8 to J8. So this is what the percentage of 6 subjects, or we can say it is an average of 6 subjects. Similarly, to find the remaining candidates average, select this and drag the cell formula. So this way we will get the percentage of subjects. To reduce the decimal number by selecting any one cell, then click on this button, that is decrease the decimal part. Either you can keep it for 2 decimal point or you can remove it. So you can do it for all the averages by selecting all and then clicking on this decreasing top. So this way we can find the average of numbers. So count range is another function used to count the cells in which the numeric values are present. So this we can use here in this problem to find how much or how many subjects the student appear, to know how many subjects the student is appeared. So to get that, so what we can do, we can use a count range. So count range syntax is equal to count, in bracket we have to specify the range. So now let me show you that is equal to count. So in bracket the 6 subject range, that is from here to here, that is from mathematics to Kannada, that is E8 to J8. So here it is showing 6. So it is because all 6 subjects he is present. So let me find the next row. Let me know how much subject he appeared for the examination. So again is equal to count, in bracket the range is from E9 to J9, bracket complete and enter. So here you can see he is an absent for chemistry as well as physics. So out of 6, 2 absent means it is a 4. So this way what we can do, we can use the count for counting the cells in which the numeric values are present. So similarly, if you want to count for the remaining, just copy the formula. So click this and take the cursor, and you will see the plus symbol at the bottom corner of that cell. Then using mouse, drag downwards. So you can see the total subject they are appeared in the examination. So you can see here in the last record, his number of subject appeared is 5, because here one subject he was absent. Next function is Countif. This Countif is used to count the cells which are satisfying our conditions, and its syntax is Countif in bracket, specify the range, put the comma, and then specify the condition. So using Countif, let us check how many of the students got 80 or above 80 marks in the mathematics. So that can be done using Countif is equal to Countif. So in bracket, specify the range and then put the comma, type the criteria or condition. So in this case the condition is in quotation, double quotation. So now I will write the criteria. My criteria is, or condition is, 80 or above 80, that is greater than or equal to 80. So as we know that more than 80 or 80 can be done, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So result it should display a 5. So here I did a little mistake. So we should complete it by putting the quotation at the end. So it is showing the total 5. And similarly, if you want to see the less than 50, then equal to Countif in bracket, specifies the range, comma, and then condition should be in bracket, in quotation. So that condition is less than 50, that is less than 50, quotation complete, bracket complete. So there are totally 7 candidates who got less than 50 marks. Now let me find the 80 or above 80 in the biology column. So that can be is equal to Countif in bracket, range, comma, in quotation, greater than or equal to 80, quotation complete, bracket complete. So more than 80 in the biology, 1, 2, 3. So here I will find the below 50 marks. So is equal to Countif in bracket, range, then criteria in quotation, that is less than. So totally there is only one candidate who scored below 50. So let me copy these two. The formula can copied here. So you can see here in chemistry above 80 is nobody is above 80 and less than 50 is 4 members. In physics above 80 is 80 or above 80 is 3 students and below 50 is nobody. So similarly in English, one is having more than 80 and another is having less than 50. Similarly in Kannada, above 80 or more than 80 is 5 students and nobody is less than 50. So this way we can use a count if statement. Count blank can be used to count the blank in the range. So let me find a blank cells in this range. So I'll write is equal to count blank. So in bracket specify the range. So there are 3 cells have no any values, they are the blank. So therefore we have a 3 here. So this way we can use a count blank. In this video only this much. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you again with next part of MS Excel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.